Hello. Welcome to Financial Radar, where we condense the most important news of the day into a clear and straightforward analysis. Today we'll talk about Bitcoin's all-time record high that takes it close to $100,000, how McDonald's is trying to regain its position in the market with its new McValue strategy, and how climate change is redefining home values in risky areas. Plus, we bring you a roundup of the markets to keep you in the loop. Stay with us, because what seems like just news today could be an opportunity for you tomorrow. Let's get started. Let's start with the protagonist of the day, Bitcoin. For the first time, it has reached $98,000, getting dangerously close to the psychological $100,000 barrier. This move has been driven in large part by the massive liquidation of short positions, which has left more than $88 million in losses for sellers in the last 24 hours. What's going on? This is a perfect example of what analysts call a short squeeze. When short sellers bet that the price will fall and it rises, they are forced to close their positions quickly, which generates even more buying and pushes the price higher. Impact for investors. For Bitcoin holders, this is exciting. But be warned, many experts agree that such quick moves can be a double-edged sword. If Bitcoin surpasses $100,000, it could trigger a massive sell-off by those looking to lock in quick profits, driving the price back to lower levels. Key data. Trading volume is up 34% in the past 24 hours. Whales, or large investors, have begun moving large amounts of BTC, which could indicate imminent profit-taking. Audience interaction. Do you think Bitcoin will hold this level, or will we see a correction in the coming days? Write your opinion in the comments. Let's move to the world of fast food, where McDonald's has launched a new strategy to win back its customers. The McValue menu, an offer that includes food for only $5. This move seeks to respond to the drop in sales suffered by the chain, aggravated by recent problems such as an outbreak of E. coli in some of its products. Why is this important? In a competitive market where chains such as Taco Bell and Burger King have been successful with inexpensive menus, McDonald's needed to adapt. But this decision is not only economic. It also seeks to rebuild consumer confidence after the damage to its reputation. What does the McValue menu include? While exact details vary by market, they typically include a sandwich, fries, and a drink, offering more value for less money. Key facts. McDonald's U.S. sales fell 3% in the last quarter. E. coli outbreak affected 12 states, with more than 50 cases reported. Audience interaction. Will this strategy succeed in winning back customers? Or do you prefer other fast food options? Leave us your answer in the comments and tell us if you would try McValue. Now let's talk about the real estate market and a phenomenon that is changing the way we buy and sell property, the impact of climate change. According to a report by Redfin, homes in high-risk climate zones, such as Florida and California, are losing value for the first time in more than 15 years, compared to properties in safer areas. Why is this happening? The increased frequency and intensity of natural disasters, such as hurricanes, fires, and droughts, is affecting the perception of safety in these locations. Increasingly aware buyers are opting for properties in regions with lower risk, such as areas in the Midwest and northeastern United States. Long-term impact. This not only affects homeowners, but also local economies and the insurance market, which is driving up premiums in these areas. As climate change continues to progress, this phenomenon could intensify, redrawing the map of the housing market in the country. Audience interaction. Do you think it will be worthwhile to continue investing in property in states like Florida? Or would you look for safer areas? Share your opinion in the comments. Before we say goodbye, let's take a look at the market close. Stock market. Dow, up 1.06%, closing at 43,870 points. S&P 500, increased 0.53%, reaching 5,948. Nasdaq held flat with a slight rise of 0.03%, closing at 18,972. Cryptocurrencies. Ethereum rose an impressive 9.1%, reaching $3,353. Solana, it rose 7.83% to $253.67. A positive day for most investors, albeit with mixed signals in some sectors.